This is how I lubricate a gearbox. I did clean the old grease, and perhaps when you open the case, you notice it's full of grease. That's because on the assembly line, they have a injection hole, which has a cap of plastic, and they injected the grease inside the case. The case is closed, they fill it with grease. They also have a burping hole, but that's because on the assembly line, it's much faster to do. But at home, you don't really need to pack everything in grease. I prefer to do it really bit by bit. You see those sleeves there? I do grease them inside because the shafts will stay inside, will rotate inside. I do have shims. I will lubricate under and on top of the shim. Obviously, it's a very greasy job. I do lubricate all the shafts where they have contact points and then lubricate the gears. You need to think of an order to place them because I lubricate before placing them on the inside on the position. Otherwise, it's not accessible. And also, it's a greasy job. It's a messy job. You need also to clean the area if you, I guess, you have a gasket or put a silicone around. Clean with alcohol and yes, use something to clean your hands properly for all this messy job. And careful with the threads. If they get grease on them when you place them through their sleeve, you need to clean them because if you tighten a knot on a greasy thread, it can damage the stud. It will just is not a good torque. So just make sure you clean the threads of any grease.